Narinig ko yan at may nagpadala sa akin ng video. You know, I am giving him the chance to prove himself to the people. Ito yung storyang hindi mamatay-matay. I never accuse him of someone who is using drugs. In fact, I was the one who presented his negative drug test result way back in November of 2021. At nagpapatuloy ang usapin na yan. So ang sabi ko, para matapos na, yung istoryang hindi mamatay-matay, I was suggesting, I am still suggesting, he should undergo an open, fair, transparent, and credible hair follicle drug test. So that, if it turns out negative, sinabi ko na ito, yung resultang negatibo, sampal niya sa mukha ng lahat na nag-aakusa sa kanya. And I will feel relieved because I was the one who presented initially yung kanyang negative drug test. I presented it first sa PIDEA and then NBI and then PNP. So yun ang konteksto noon.
Attorney, yung pong